Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a beautiful Christmas card animation with a magical pop-up effect. The result looks like a Christmas book opening and your photo comes out as a cute animated scene. And the best part, you can do this easily using free app called Dreamface. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download the app from there. And then once it's installed, just open the Dreamface and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan and you will get a free weekly credit so you can try this effect without paying anything. And then next, after logging in, you will land on the homepage like this. And then next, just simply tap on the magic effect, this one. This is where Dreamface keeps all the fun animation templates, including holiday effect like Christmas. And then next, just scroll down and find the Christmas card, this one. Just tap on it. And then in here, in this template that creates the animated Christmas book with a pop-up scene like this. And then next, just choose a photo from your gallery. For the best result, just use photo with good lighting and a visible subject. Just tap on plus button to upload your photo. And then next, just tap on confirm. And when you're done, just tap on create. It will take one credit. And okay, like this, your animations is ready. honestly it's a little bit it's a little bit weird. The result is a little bit weird, but I think the image or the animation, it still looks good even it's a little bit weird. But and okay, maybe you can try this effect with another photo that more proper. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.